Here you go. Oh, yeah.
There he is. There he is. Yes.
Oh,
yes. That's what we're talking about. Wagner,
Bobby.
a veteran, right? Get him down. Now get out and let these guys take over.
Oh,
Bobby Wagner, veteran play.
The protester who was tackled filed a police report in the against the Rams linebacker who tackled him. If Wagner's play was veteran, the protester's police report might be the ultimate in victim mentality. David Bruno's here, famed criminal defense attorney at the Bianchi Law Group. All right, is Wagner going to need a criminal defense attorney?
Yeah, tell him to call me. You know, because it's
yeah, people are going to be lining up.
Absolutely unreasonable that somebody who trespasses goes out there with a smoke bomb, essentially, can claim that he had no understanding of what was going to happen right there. And that's exactly what happens. I mean, look, it looks like a bomb, honestly. And I applaud Wagner for doing what he did, because it could have been one dangerous incident, and it's only a matter of time until someone really gets hurt going out there on that field.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a lot of video of other people doing this, running around, evading security. This guy was a protester. Some people are doing it for stunts. Other people do it to promote websites. Doesn't really matter, though. Yeah, there you go. At some point, what do you expect if you go out there but to get tackled?
Absolutely. And maybe we should reevaluate these laws, you know, because obviously the laws that are in place right now have no deterrence whatsoever. I mean, they're like misdemeanors. You spend some time, maybe a day or two in jail with a fine, and you don't go back to the venues. But at the same time, you got organizations like this claiming responsibility. It's almost like a terrorist attack, where this fundraiser,
okay, really? I mean, running,
I'm responsible.
Yeah, well, doing jumping jacks may be a little different than a terrorist attack. Is there any?
No, but it's an organization that comes out and says that we're responsible.
Yeah, no, it's simply trying to make a political point. At the same time, everybody who goes in, you buy a ticket, right? It has all that fine print on the back that nobody ever reads. Is that why this guy is trying to do a criminal charge rather than do anything involving suing or something like that?
No, what they're doing is they're gaining the spotlight one more day after this incident or this, right? Because not many people may have seen it if they're not watching the game or they're not watching the Mannings comment on this. But now it's circulating again in the media on another story about the filing of the police report. So it's not going to gain any traction.
All right, excellent point. This was Chris Cuomo and I a couple of days ago talking about it. Take a listen. I almost feel bad for the guy who ran out onto the field. He didn't expect that.
Oh, that's too bad. When you take the risk, you mess with the bull, you get the horns. And look, you take the risk, you got to be ready for that kind of reward.
Well, that's what happens when people come on Cuomo, right? Have a great show, my friend. All right, so at some point, should they get hit harder, therefore less people might do it?
I think you got to go to the law, and the law is minimal at best. And yeah, I think it's foreseeable, Leland, that anybody that goes on that field could get hit, especially a football game. We're not talking about tennis or baseball. I mean, we got linebackers, safeties, defensive ends on the field. You could expect to get hit.
You know, and Wagner had a great point at the end. He said, I'm more concerned about the security guard that was hurt trying to chase him. You just got to do what you got to do. It'd be very easy for some, for the helmet from the linebacker to hit the security guard, and then all of a sudden you got somebody seriously hurt. Hey, David, you make some great points. Thank you, and we'll let Wagner know that if he needs any representation, to give you a call.
Anybody in the NFL, I'm here. Let's go.
All right. Yeah. We'll see you soon.